All right, lesson 3, folks. Very similar to the last lesson, just keep track of your distribution. So again, we're doing extended distribution. So I got to distribute the 3 to everything. So I write it out like that, like this here. And then I have to multiply the -2, remember to include your negative signs, to everything. So I write it out again like that. So actually performing the distribution, multiply 3x times 5x squared is 15x cubed. Minus 12x squared, 3x times 1 is 3x. Multiplying the -2 times each of those, you get -10x squared plus 8x minus 2. Now combining like terms, that x cubed is the only term of its kind. There's a couple x squareds we combine, a couple x's we combine, and then the -2. That's it. Now this is a little more practice, and it's the same exact thing. It just looks a little different because we got some extra letters in there, but you set it up the exact same way. So what you're going to do is 3a times that quantity, and then minus 4b times that quantity, and now we just distribute each out. And now when I do -4b times 2a, I could write -8ba, but that's the same as -8ab. I'm going to write it as AB, so I see that there's like terms there that I combine in a moment. So it gives me that. Combining like terms gives me that result.